Is your Android phone running slow, freezing, or lagging when you open apps? Don't rush to buy a new one just yet. In this video, I'll show you quick fixes to speed up any laggy Android phone instantly. Too many apps running in the background eat up memory. Open the Recent Apps menu and clear everything. You'll notice your phone feels lighter right away. A nearly full storage slows down performance. Go to Settings Storage and delete junk files, old downloads, and unused apps. You can also move large files like videos or photos to Google Drive or an SD card. Step 3. Update your software. Outdated software often causes lag. Head to Settings, System Software Update, and install the latest version. Updates usually improve performance and fix bugs. But want instant speed? Go to Developer Options and reduce or turn off animations. This makes your phone feel much faster when switching between apps. Restarting your phone clears temporary memory and closes hidden processes. Doing this once every few days keeps your device running smoothly. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This wipes out hidden junk and makes your phone feel brand new. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can make your Android phone run faster without spending a single dollar. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and let me know in the comments how much faster your phone feels now.